We've used this frame before for a maternity session and it just wasn't us. We know we could have done it a lot better.
So today we are going to rebuild, we're going to add some extra elements and we're just going to make it better, aren't we?
We are. Okay, so why did it not work last time? I think it was a bit flat. We went for simplicity and it ended up looking unfinished. And it just was lacking a little bit in creativity, wasn't it?
Yeah,
it just felt just not us. It wasn't enough. It needed a bit more oomph and a bit more.
It was nice, but it was
fine.
a bit
That's
something
it,
and nothing. It was,
fine.
wasn't it?
It wasn't great. So
yeah, so this time round we're going to just add loads more flowers. We're going to go not overboard, but you know, loads of flowers. We're also going to add some texture with silk, draping silk in the background.
This looks a little bit like liquid metal when it's lit properly.
Yes.
So yeah, it's just going to be a lot more going on.
Yeah, and we're going to do more with the posing. We're going to pose differently.
Yeah, we're going to really think about how we're going to pose before so that we can build it so that pose will work better.
Yeah. So the last time we used this frame, we just put a small amount of flowers around the top. So this time we're going much, much bigger. So I'm using some pool noodles and I'm going to secure them to the frame so that we can really make a nice big dense floral arrangement around the top corner.
And then we're going to put some silk on this backdrop stand, or we're going to try to, we don't really know how it's going to work yet, and have that coming through over the top of the boxes that we're going to pose the client on and get a little bit of Renaissance kind of painting-esque style
absolutely.
Into it. We don't really know how it's going to work yet, but that's the idea we've got so far.
Yeah, it's all trial and error, isn't it? We're going to just make it work.
We're having to hold the mic in between us because the battery out.
Okay, so we've got to a point now where we're just going to stop for today.
We need a C-stand for this backdrop because it's not in the right place and I can't get it to go in the right place with the stand we're using because it's not enough space. So we're going to use a C-stand.
So we've got one of those on order. Yeah, it'll arrive tomorrow. Also, I need to step away from this now and come in with fresh eyes in the morning.
It's looking good though.
Yeah, it is. I'm really happy with it. I know I need to put a few more of these blue ones down here up and over.
Maybe a couple of these, one or two just.
I haven't decided whether we need the roses in there yet, but we'll take another look in the morning. There are some patches that I want to fill in, but it's looking good as it is, and
we get in there.
Yeah, and we'll have fresh eyes in the morning, finish it off. The session's not until the afternoon, so we've got plenty of time in the morning to do finishing touches. We are back. We've made some adjustments.
We've made a lot of adjustments.
We've made a lot of adjustments. Let's show you what it is that we've done.
Okay, the C-stand has been delivered, and it's now much higher and a much better angle. What was happening, let me take my slippers off. What was happening was we had it too far that way, so there was nothing over this side, or then too far this way, and there was nothing that side, and we needed it in between. So now it's overlapping.
The right depth.
Yeah, it's in the perfect area.
Yeah.
Christy added those darker blue flowers in, and we've taken some from down here and put the lighter flowers in to make it all nice and even.
I've also added some butterflies. Abigail hates a butterfly, but I love a butterfly.
We've got butterflies.
I will get a butterfly in any way that I can.
Right, we've got our main key light here, which is our Godox I don't know why I'm putting it on my phone. Godox SL303 continuous light with a 44 Pro. Oh my God, I read that right. SMDV 44 Flip 44 Pro modifier on there. That's our main light. But because of this situation,
Sorry, you weren't on camera then.
sorry, because our model's going to be sat here and the light is coming from here. This is creating a little bit of shadowing, and I'm very conscious of the fact that there's a lot going on. So we've added a V flat here on the white side to bounce some light back that way, and also we have a strip light here which has got an Godox AD100 Pro, and it's an SMDV strip box to add a little bit of backlight to the subject, and also it'll bounce off there then this way to avoid shadows. I feel like I've explained that properly, but if I haven't, I'm sure you'll all tell me in the comments. Is there anything else we've added?
I don't think so. I am really super happy with this. Like, this is what I had in my head.
We haven't photographed yet though.
No, we haven't.
I'll tell you what we have added, sandbags.
Oh, we've
made sure there's sandbags on the frame to make sure it doesn't fall.
Yes.
It is freestanding.
It is. But I'm really happy because this is literally what I had in my head. So
Lovely.
I love it when that happens.
Let's see how many photographs now. So, after photographing, there's a few things. Our ceilings are not high enough for one, and it really irritates me on every single session because the flowers are a little bit above the green background here on some of the shots, and it really irritates me. But it is what it is. We haven't got high enough ceilings. I can't get my light high enough.
No, Flo, you can do better.
It's not, no, because I can't go any higher. But it is what it is, and we make it work. It's not as high as I would like. It still worked. It's just not ideal. But other than that, I really liked this setup.
Me too.
It's much better than the last one, I think.
Yeah, I think it really worked.
It was one of them situations where it needed more than less.
Yeah.
Not less is more.
Yeah, absolutely. Here's a couple of final images for you to have a little look at. Tell us in the comments if you would have changed anything that we have done that you would have done differently. But I'm happy with it.
Me too.
I think they're beautiful.